What's up, y'all? It's your boy Dave. I'm back at it again with another video. Today we got reGGie and Hurricane Wisdom on stream official music video. Y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, and get these videos that I many likes on get to. Turn on post notifications on when I drop my channel. My Patreon link is in the description down below if y'all check out as well. For videos that don't make it to YouTube but make on there for y'all to watch. If y'all ready to get into this, let's see how this is. My first time with Hurricane Wisdom on my channel, so let's see how this is. Hopefully this will be on the channel.
I'm thinking, what the fuck is we about to do? What you want to do about that shit then, nigga? Fuck that. I'm trying to get back. Now. On stream. Right now. Everybody. On stream? Everybody. Fuck it, let's do it on stream. Let's do it on stream. Fuck it, let's do it. Fuck it, let's do it. Hello?
On stream, okay.
Smacker, I do this shit on stream. My balls come with a beam. My hoes come with a dream. I'm with reGGie, don't smoke reGGie. I get high than steam. What it costs, you know what I mean? For that money, I'm a fiend. For that money, I'm a fiend. I'm a goblin for the green. I got bitches on my dick. I told that bitch to join the stream. Toss the pack, yeah, that's the touchdown. Told that bitch to join the team. Me and bro, we chasing racks. I told her, bro, let's chase the dreams. Hella W's in the chat. You know my chat gon' turn me up. reGGie, they be in the back, and we got racked up in the front. And my bro be smoking hella weed, told me roll it up. Okay, they say this roll here hella mean, that's why I beat it up. Know that I'm from Florida, every song I speed it up, okay? No, you on our ground, what Kendrick say, it's not enough, okay? Left wrist lighting up, my right one bright as fuck. You know I turn some shit to gold, I got the Midas touch. I'm from Baltimore, you play...
He said, you know, I turned some to gold because I got the Midas touch. Okay.
No, you on our ground, what Kendrick say, it's not enough, okay? Left wrist lighting up, my right one bright as fuck. You know I turn some shit to gold, I got the Midas touch. I'm from Baltimore, you play them, they gon' heat you up. Call my favorite eater, she gon' come and eat me up. Smoking hella trees, I swear to God, this bitch is stunk. She gon' call my phone, and after that, I'm hanging up.
He said she gonna call my phone after that is up. Like, oh it. They really made this on stream. That's cool though. I like it. The edits and stuff in here was cool. Hurricane Wisdom and reGGie and Hurricane Wisdom on stream official music video. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this in the comment section down below, which y'all will rate it. It's a good song though. Like definitely a flow that Wisdom could rap on, but probably reGGie rapped on this, but it's a good song though. They did their thing. Shout out to reGGie and Hurricane Wisdom. And until the next video, I'll see y'all then. And I'm out.